Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a blog to your Squarespace website step by step. I'll be showing this on Squarespace version 7.1. First, you need to open the Pages panel, click Website in the Home menu, then click Pages on the left-hand side. The Pages panel will open, showing your site's page structure. Now, click the plus icon in the Pages panel to add a new page. A pop-up appears with a list of content types you can create. In that pop-up, look for the collection section and click Blog. You'll see a screen with multiple blog layout options to choose from. Select whichever layout you like. Don't worry too much about this choice, you can change it later. Once you've selected one, it'll be highlighted or checkmarked. Next, you'll see a page title field on the left side of the screen. Enter a name for your blog page, then press Enter. The new blog page appears in the Pages panel in the Not Linked section. Now let's configure the blog settings. Click the gear icon next to your blog page name in the Pages panel. The blog settings menu opens with multiple tabs. Here are the key settings to review. First, check the page title. This is what visitors see when they land on your blog. Next, set posts per page to choose how many blog posts display on the main page. The maximum is 20. Then scroll to the SEO settings and make sure the blog is enabled for search. Add an SEO title and description for your main blog page. While you're in the SEO section, hide category and tag pages from search engines to prevent clutter in Google Search Console. Once you've updated those settings, save your changes. There should be a Save button at the bottom of the panel. The settings panel closes and your changes are applied. When you're ready to make the blog visible on your site, drag the blog page from the Not Linked section up into your main navigation section. It'll appear as a link in your header navigation menu. I'd recommend keeping it in Not Linked until you've set everything up and published at least one post. A few quick tips before we wrap up. To create your first blog post, click the plus icon in the blog content area in the side panel. New posts save as draft by default, so nothing goes live until you publish it. One thing to note, blog posts use Squarespace's classic editor, not the fluid engine you might be used to on regular pages. And you can always go back to those blog settings to tweak things like social sharing images or adjust your posts per page setting. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful.